Hello everyone. This is the pre-market report video for today 3rd March 2023 in the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yesterday early morning Nifty opened a gap down of 30 points, but within 40 minutes it further dropped 85 points, then it kind of recovered 40 points. But the negative European market opening made it to slide towards 18,300. Among the sectors, only realty index increased over 2%, while IT, auto and banks dropped around 0.8 to 1%. Then regarding institutional investors activities, we'll discuss in the later part of the video in detail. Now coming to US market, last night before their market opening, Bureau of Labor Statistics released the US unit labor cost for quarter-on-quarter basis. The data comes as 3.2% against expectation of 1.6%. Which means compared to last quarter, this quarter businesses had paid the labor over 3.2%. This is one of the very important leading indicator for consumer inflation since it puts extra money directly in large number of peoples. As we know and discussed a lot of times, for US, any good economic data is bad for the stock market. Additionally, again for the 7th consecutive week, new weekly jobless claims data comes as less than 2 lakhs. The bottom line is, in US, the labor supply is not increasing in any meaningful way and there is no evidence that this will change anytime soon. This basically increased the worries among the investors that FOMC and Fed people might increase the interest rate much aggressive and keep it for the much longer period. This super good labor market related numbers made the 10-year Treasury bond yield to increase over 4.07% and dollar index to near 105. Thus, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq literally traded negative from the start of the day to most of the times in the US market. Then around 2 p.m. Eastern Time, a FOMC member and Atlanta Federal Reserve President Raphael Bostic in the roundtable interview said that he and most of the members are supporting the increase of only 25 basis points in the next FOMC meeting and is not supporting the return of aggressive Fed interest rate hike, and also he said that he expects to pause the interest rate hike by summer. This literally changed the momentum and made all three major index in US market to close significantly positive. Anyway, in the end, Dow Jones increased by 1.05%, S&P 500 up by 0.76% and Nasdaq 2 up by 0.73%. All this made the US VIX to down near 5% to less than 20. Then regarding major tech stock, Tesla didn't give any update about the future affordable car project in the investor day, and because of that JP Morgan released a statement that they were underweight on Tesla with the target price of $120 per share. Just for info, at present it's trading around $180 to $200 per share. Literally, this crashed the Tesla shares to over 5%. In the end, it closed near down by 6%. Then about oil, it's same as yesterday due to the mixed inventories in US reserve storage. At the time of this video, Brent crude oil was traded at $84.5 per barrel and WTI crude oil was traded at $78 per barrel. About Indian areas in US market, only HDFC Bank closed near flat. All other three major Indian areas in US market increased from 0.4 to 1.3%. And there was more drama in SGX Nifty. At one point of time, SGX Nifty dropped near 17,350 mark. But in the end, at 3 am Indian Standard Time, it became super bullish and closed at 17,464. So based on that, for the present moment, it's 90 to 100 points gap up opening today. Then coming to Indian market related info, there is an investment firm in US called GQG Partners and their assets under management is over $92 billion. In US, they are not big players like BlackRock and all, but their firm is in partnership with big players like Goldman Sachs. Anyway, enough about their intro. Yesterday, they bought Adani related stocks for just over 15,400 crore rupees. I mean, they invested around 5,450 crore rupees in Adani Enterprise, 5,282 crore rupees in Adani Port, and near 1,900 crore rupees in Adani Transmission, and finally around 2,800 crore rupees in Adani Green. Just for info, I mean, they are not small either. $92 billion assets under management in Indian rupees equal to over 7,50,000 crore rupees. And in that, they invested around 15,000 crore rupees in Adani group of stocks. Additionally, Goldman Sachs too purchased the group directly. So only if you see the FII data, it comes as yesterday the net bought over 12,000 crore rupees. I mean, they gross bought for over 27,500 crore rupees. Now we know around 15,400 crore rupees directly went into Adani stocks, which means the remaining gross bought is only near 12,000 crore rupees. Whereas FII's gross sold was near 15,300 crore rupees. Now what this is telling is, excluding Adani trade, FII net sold Indian stocks for over 3,200 crore rupees and then DII net bought for 3,630 crore rupees including Adani. As a summary, US market closed positive, IT areas closed positive, yesterday's Nifty indicating gap up opening of 90 to 100 points. It looks strange, all of a sudden everything looks fine, like there is no problem in the market. I mean, US FOMC member gave the confirmation that there will not be any aggressive interest rate hike in the upcoming FOMC meeting. And there is a chance that this new GQG and Goldman Sachs investment in Adani Group kind of got the potential to surpass the Hindenburg-Adani issue. I know yesterday was expiry day, but still the present PCR ratio for Nifty is around 0.621. So there is a chance today positive opening can trigger the significant March month call option open interest unwinding. Just a disclaimer, it's just my opinion. Always in any market, expect the unexpected. So in stock market, anything can happen on any minute. There is an equal chance in the market today that it may trade completely negative because of some other or some new issue. Coming to technical, on daily chart, both Nifty and Bank Nifty forms a long bearish candle with lower high, lower low formation. Short upper shadow indicates that initially there was only a mild selling pressure, but then the long red candle indicates after some time that bearish people took control of the market. And the lower short shadow tells that bullish people tries to fight back but they can't. Technically, this pattern indicates a lack of strength in the recent upside bounce and the weakness is likely to continue for the short term. This is stock market at its best. Market fundamentals and news indicating the bullish day trade, but the technical analysis indicates the bearishness continuation. Regarding moving averages, on Wednesday, Nifty crosses above the 5-day and 200-day simple moving average, but it again moves below and trades below all key day moving average level. So as a summary, it's a strong sell signal, and a technical indicator summary too, it's the same strong sell signal. For Bank Nifty, still it haven't broke the 5-day and 200-day moving average. So as a moving average summary, from neutral on Wednesday closing, now it turns to sell signal. Even the technical indicator summary too, it downgraded to strong sell from just a sell signal. Since yesterday was the options weekly expiry, so I don't see any point in analyzing the options open interest. So from pivot chart for Nifty, at present the immediate support is present at around 17,270 and strong support is at 17,220. On the higher side, immediate resistance to break is at 17,450 and strong resistance is at 17,500. Then in terms of Bank Nifty, the support is present at around 40,000, whereas immediate resistance is at 40,750 and significant resistance is at 40,950. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some useful information. Please consider subscribing the channel and liking the videos. It will help me beat the algorithm and also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investment decision based on this, as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm doing it for my and viewers' educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.